Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about patience in marriage. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. To talk to a marriage and relationships expert, go to noraarake.com/booking to book your counseling session. Yes, without further ado, let's get into this video. Like marriage itself, patience is a work of a lifetime. We are greeted with the shock of our lives after the whole wedding drama. The reality of our differences, experiences, personalities, social upbringing, and environment sets in almost immediately after the wedding drama. That your spouse, whom you practically thought was an angel, was perfect on your wedding day, needs to change in certain areas, and you immediately set out to improve your spouse, only to find that your spouse also has his or her own ideas for your own improvement. What does it mean? That both of you are finding each other not perfect, and both of you have to tolerate each other, and both of you have to be patient with each other in order for that person to change or for you to cope. That's why patience is needed to pass that phase in your marriage, coping and moving forward. Patience makes us and helps us to be empathetic, to put on the other person's shoes. It is patience that makes us understand that our spouses too are not finding it easy adjusting to certain changes as well. Patience makes us to extend our hand of love and support to our spouses instead of judgment, complaints and comparisons. Let me tell you something. To build a marriage that thrives, you will have to be patient with each other. No question about that, and there is no shortcut to it. Each day brings you an opportunity to cultivate this virtue in your marriage and to grow your marriage. Remember, the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, happiness, patience, kindness, gentleness, tolerance, but most importantly, love. Let love lead the way. You have to be patient with each other. You have to be tolerant with each other. You have to know that no one is perfect. Be patient with your spouse. You didn't grow up with your spouse. Your spouse can never think like how you think. Your spouse is not a robot that you will just twist them the way you want, to do what you want, to think the way you want. No, it won't happen. Be patient with your spouse. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Love your spouse. Let love lead the way. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you'd like to talk to a counselor, go to noraarake.com/booking to book in your appointment. And if you'd like to purchase any of our products, go to noraarake.com/shop. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is iam_Nora, and Twitter is at Nora Charipa. Thank you so much. I love you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Bye.